Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and today we are going to start with the chapter 1 integers of standard 7. First let us see the basic addition and subtraction of integers. I will take 4 cases. In that 4 cases everything of addition and subtraction will be covered. Step 1, write sign positive or negative in answer, and it is determined by, that is, sign of bigger number, bigger integer. So we will write the sign of bigger integer. In this case bigger integer is 5, so I will copy the sign of bigger integer in answer. Here it will be positive, answer will be negative. In this case answer will be positive, in this case answer will be negative. Now step 2, perform addition, simple addition of two whole numbers if both signs are same. It means if both the signs are positive or both the signs are negative, then perform addition, else perform subtraction. Subtraction of two whole numbers if both signs are different. It means if one is positive and another is negative, or one is negative and another is positive, then perform subtraction. So in first case both the signs are positive, so perform addition. Addition of two and 5. In last case both the signs are negative, so add 2, 5. In case 2 and 3, one is positive and another is negative, so perform subtraction of 5, 2. And in third case also we have one positive and another negative, so perform subtraction of 5, 2. So let us write the answers. In first case there is an addition of 2 and 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. In last case also answer is 7. In second and third case, there is a subtraction of 5 and 2. That means subtraction of 5 minus 2, that is equals to 3. We will always subtract bigger number from smaller number. Answer is 3. So 5 minus 2 is 3. In third case also, answer is 5 minus 2, that is 3. And final answer we will get in all the cases are plus 7, minus 3, plus 3 and minus 7. So now let us see the theory part. Theory 1.1.1, closure under addition. We know the property of closure under addition of whole number. It is closure property of addition of whole numbers. That means for two whole numbers a comma b, a plus b is also whole number. That is the closure property of whole numbers. Now let's check the closure property for integers. Does the closure property holds or not for integer? Property for integer is true or not. So in all these 7 cases, we will perform the addition or subtraction as given in the question. So in first case, there is a simple subtraction of whole number 40. In second case, there is a minus 10 plus 3. So we have discussed just now that we will put the sign of bigger integer. In this case, bigger is 10. So answer will be in negative sign. And now step 2 is just check the sign. If both the signs are same, then perform addition, otherwise perform subtraction. In this case, both the signs are different, so we will perform the subtraction, that is 10 minus 3 equals to 7. Always do the subtraction of bigger number from smaller number. So 10 minus 3 equals to 7. And here we go, the answer is minus 7. In example 3, there is plus and minus sign. So just put the bigger integer sign in the answer. Bigger integer is 75. So put sign of 75, that is minus, in the answer. Now both the signs are different. So perform subtraction of bigger integer from smaller integer. That is, we will take 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 8, 8 is 7. Here it is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Answer will be 57. Now next example, same case. In this case, we just know the property of multiplication, that is plus into plus is plus. We will discuss this property in detail later on in the lecture. Second is plus into minus is minus. Minus into plus is minus, and minus into minus is plus. So just put the sign. Plus into minus is minus, so it will be 19 minus 25. Then put the sign of bigger integer in the answer. So sign of 25 is minus, so we'll put minus sign in the answer, and then perform subtraction if both the signs are different. Here in this case, one sign is positive, another sign is negative, so we will perform the subtraction, that is 25 minus 19. 19 minus 25 is 6. The answer will be minus 6. Next example, plus into minus is minus, so this is 27 minus 27, answer is 0. Next example is minus 20 plus 0, answer is minus 20. And next example is 35 minus 10. Plus into minus is minus, so the answer will be 35 plus into minus is minus, and 10. First put the sign of bigger integer in the answer, so there will be minus sign, and then do subtraction if both the signs are different. Otherwise, if both the signs are same, then do addition. In this case, both the signs are same, that is negative, so we'll do the addition, that is 35 plus 10, that is 45, and the answer is minus 45. So all the answers that we got, that is 40, minus 7, minus 57, minus 6, 0, minus 20, minus 45, all are integers. That means there is no fraction, no rational, irrational number. So we can say that the addition of integer gives integer, hence the integers are closed under addition. That is a property, integers are closed under addition. That means for any two integers a comma b, a plus b is always an integer. Now see the next topic, that is 1.1.2, closure under subtraction. Now again we have to do the subtraction. So we have seen the rule of addition and subtraction. The rule is applicable for both addition as well as subtraction. So we'll do the subtraction in the same way we have done in the previous example. So first put the sign of bigger integer. In this case bigger integer is 9. So we'll put the minus sign in the answer. Then just do subtraction if both the digits sign are different. Otherwise do addition. In this case both the signs are different, that is one is positive, another is negative. So we'll do the subtraction, that is 9 minus 7, the answer is 2. So answer will be minus 2, minus sign of bigger integer, and subtraction because the signs are different. Minus into minus, we have just seen, plus into plus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is plus, minus into plus is minus, and minus into minus is plus. So in this case 8 minus 14, minus into minus is plus, so 8 plus minus 8 plus 14, 14 minus 8 is 6. In this case it will be minus 21, minus into minus is plus, minus 21 plus 10. We will put the sign of bigger integer in answer, and then we will do subtraction because both the signs are different. So 21 minus 10, you will get 11. So the answer is minus 11. Now next example, minus into minus is plus, it will be 32 plus 17, that is 7 plus 2 is 9, and 3 plus 1 is 4, answer is 49. In this case minus 18, minus into minus is plus, minus 18 plus 18 is 0, and in last example answer will be minus 29. So we can see that all the answers are integers. In this case minus 17 minus 21, 17 minus minus it is plus, plus 21, the answer will be 7 plus 1 is 8, 2 plus 1 is 3, answer will be 38. We can see that all the answers are integers. That means there are no Fraction, no rational number, nothing. All the answers are integers. So we can say that for any pair of integers, hence we can say that integers are closed under subtraction. That means for any two integers a and b, a minus b is also an integer.